What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube family? So welcome back to another not a food review because we made this. So basically like another
Mukbang.
Well, yeah, but no, because we don't have like the mic and stuff connected.
You don't need the mic for the mukbang.
But this is what me and Yas made today. We got yellow rice, red kidney beans with baked chicken. That's so good and it's so soft and tender. And with the yellow rice, oh man, delicious.
Right, I'm ready to eat. I've been ready to eat.
And we're also live on TikTok, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the TikTok family in a minute. And then for the bev, we got, of course, I got water. And then Yas went and got this sriracha mayo sauce for the wings.
Or this Tabasco sauce.
Yeah, this Tabasco sauce is hot, so.
Or this ranch.
And these are the condiments we got for like the dipping sauce. So we got ranch as well. So bon appetit, guys. Hello, TikTok.
Amen.
Hey, Caroline. The rice is good with the beans.
So how's y'all Sunday?
I like when the wings are like so tender. I can just come off like the bones is juicy. Tender. I'm gonna attempt to take this one off, but I'm gonna leave it on because I want to enjoy it.
That juice is good too. I don't really drink juice.
Look at that, it just came off the bone.
So it's really good. Since I don't have it that often. Making some space.
This is parsley too. We have put parsley on it.
For my condiments. I want to try the ranch.
Plate,
they can see my plate. They said it looks so good. Just a little.
See, that's how I eat my bones, y'all.
Just to try it.
Just like that.
I want to put them all out. I think I'm Spanish.
I just uploaded a YouTube video with me eating seafood. Did you miss that? It's on YouTube. If you missed that seafood live, I uploaded it on YouTube.
Is that busting something?
I'm so tender, like the meat just came out. Pause.
You really gotta do all that. Oh. It's on your face, focus. That chicken look good.
Huh?
It's good with the ranch. I want to try sriracha.
I like it just like that. I ain't gonna put no sauce on those yet. That's Avery?
No. That's you dropped the bubble.
Look at that. Look how tender and juicy that is. So good. Someone on the chat asked me when I'm going to do an ASMR live. I have to get some more equipment. I don't have no equipment to do ASMR.
You saying what? We hooked. Oh, now it's Avery.
Oh boy.
Hey girl.
Look how tender. Look, the meat just came off. That's so juicy, bro. Oh, we forgot to get the dessert too, y'all. Y'all gonna see what we got for dessert. I think, yeah, I just went to go get Avery. up.
Big baby Avery.
Hey, mommy. Avery's up.
Insert
Yeah, I'm
Avery in
almost
the
done
chat. Ooh. Girl got here with your being fake self.
Avery's out. Yeah, say hi, mommy. Let me see if she wants some rice. The wake up she eating. Love it.
Word.
Avery loves rice. That's one thing about her. Mommy.
Rice and beans. She love it. She'll
Word.
eat it. She'll look at it. She'll eat it.
Her true Dominican comes out right
Some
there.
things she'll eat, but some things she'll look at and won't eat. But she'll like it if she don't know it's there. Like the chicken sometimes, and the steak.
She will have to taste it.
Yeah. So like you put the rice on top of it, so she don't see it, and then she like it, but she don't know it's there.
Right.
Sutton's starting to swing. He's just whiny.
It's tired.
And he has a little fever.
See, she loves rice and beans. What? She got big and bad. Say no, she not bad. Avery is just discovering her talent.
That's true.
Oh yeah, she can be bad sometimes. But that's part of being a parent, you know? Dealing with kids that have mood swings. You know, all they need is some attention. You know, that's all kids need is attention and love. That's why these kids out here running being bad, the ones that are being bad. Well, that's my personal opinion, you know? Not necessarily don't mean that's the reason why they're being bad, it's because they're not receiving any love at home, but it could be part of their reason. Look how she cleaned this plate, bro. I took maybe like 3 scoops. She took the rest.
Insert Sutton in the chat.
Nah, Sutton's up. Well, he's been up.
Ugh. Man, say hey. He got no shirt on because he had a little fever. So cooling
The
down.
whole gang's here, just missing Annalise.
Right. I gotta watch him because he'll be quick to grab.
I'm done.
He'll be quick to grab the plate.
I don't know about it. Ooh, ooh!
Oh, you see? Oh man, he's sneaky. That's with
yo, that was so funny. He said, "Give me that." That's gonna be funny. It's gonna be a funny
what
edit.
I'm talking about. He gonna do it.
It's gonna be a funny edit.
No, I need a wait because he gonna put that in his mouth.
Yeah, that's
his little mouth gonna be
spicy.
on fire. Dang, Avery acting like she ain't eat before
Right,
she woke
Avery
up.
still wants some more.
She is going to town.
That's why I left a little bit more rice for Avery. So I know she love her rice. Did y'all see Sutton dipping her little hand in the sauce? He said, "Ew, give me that. You ain't gonna give me that. I'm gonna get it myself. I'm gonna get it myself." That's what he said. Papi, you so greedy. You can't grab that, Papi. No.
He said, "Watch me," and did it.
And did it.
Right. You want some of the rice?
He said, "Let me get that." Right? You saw that? Oh, guys, we just uploaded 2 more new videos on our YouTube YouTube channel. So if you guys can do us a favor, everyone that's here, double tapping the screen. Thank you so much. We appreciate the love and engagement you guys are giving us and our family. We appreciate it, and we want to say thank you from the bottom of our heart. Our views have been going tremendously up. So we want to say thank you for watching our video. Thank you so much for watching our video, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, sharing this video, our content. Because I actually just seen someone share our video on Snapchat and I was so impressed. And I was like, wow, thank you. You know? Here. She want more.
Okay, Mama?
So thank you guys for everyone that watches our video.
I really appreciate y'all.
Word. Guys, let us know in the comment, what is your favorite dish? What do you love to eat? What is something that you can always eat all the time, guys? What is a go-to dish of yours? Let us know in the comments below. And let's see if your go-to dish is my go-to dish.
What's your go-to dish?
Seafood. Some blue crabs. You feel me?
Course. I don't know. What's my go-to dish?
McDonald's.
No, it's not.
Wendy's, Chick-fil-A. That's our go-to dish.
That's not a dish. That's fast food.
How we eating off of her plate? Right, Avery?
Right.
We just eating her food.
Mommy can't have nothing of her own.
Cat.
Obviously not.
Hey. 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 Look, Cookie Monster, Cookie Monster, Cookie Monster. Papi. Hey, you.
Look, Avery, got some more.
Avery already just grabbing the little rice grains from the
freaking
table.
Come on now. You see? Oh. You want it or not, Mama? Don't make it seem like you over there picking for it. And then you don't want it.
I think she wants to pick the one from... Sutton's kicking her.
He said
Sutton's
you better
kicking
eat
her.
that.
Look, guys, I wish y'all could see her.
He said you better eat that because I wish I could. He wants some chicken so bad.
You think if you give her a little piece, she'll like it?
Get him?
Let's see if Avery will eat a little piece. Because she likes crispy stuff like me. See? She just has to try it.
Mm-hmm. And if she don't want it, she do not hesitate to
Look,
open her
this.
mouth and let it
Here,
fall
puppy.
out. Why you gotta tease him? But don't do that.
Babe, just let him just have a little snippet. Just a little taste. Just a little, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit.
Yeah, that's how it starts.
She showed me give it to Sutton. She said, I want that.
No, she don't want it. Avery is bougie, like for real. I'm doing her tomorrow. While she pulled the beads out. I had her hair twice. She pulled the beads out.
Wow, she pulls her beads out all the time. Cause she don't want no more. You just farted. Ew, Avery just farted, man.
Dang, you exposing her?
Yeah.
Avery, he don't want to get exposed.
You said what? Avery, you don't want to expose them.
You?
What I heard. Hey, puppy. No. Don't put your hand in there.
She's sleepy? Yeah, she just woke up. So she still might be sleepy. Which is good, so she can go back to sleep. But she's not gonna want to. She's not gonna want to be alone, so she gotta wait till we all go in there.
Oh, she want you to pick her up, babe.
Or does she want Southern?
I don't know. When she goes like that, she wants to get picked up. Or she wants to pick somebody up.
He getting so big, right? His little big self.
Yeah, he's 7 months. And he almost as big as Avery.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Whoa. Alright, you guys.
Well, YouTube family, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for enjoying our little home cooked meal. Let us know in the comments what's another meal that you guys would like for us to cook. And we'll try to do our best to reciprocate that video or remake it or whatever. So guys, also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube video, guys. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. From my family to yours, we love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Yeah, so if your place don't look like that, you know the food wasn't good. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, look, my head is like so chopped off.